Hey everyone, Greg here from AutoMobility Store in Austin, Texas. Hurricane season is here, and while most people think about boarding up windows and stocking up on supplies, many forget about one critical thing, your mobility scooter. Today we're going to walk you through exactly how to prepare your scooter so you're not caught off guard when the storm hits. Your scooter's battery is its lifeline, and during a hurricane, power outages are very common. Here's how to stay ahead. Fully charge your battery before any storm hits. If possible, keep a backup battery on hand. Invest in a portable battery charger or a power bank that's compatible with your scooter. Keep your charger somewhere dry and easy to access, even if you need to evacuate. Hurricanes bring rain, flooding, and flying debris, none of which your scooter is built to handle. Move your scooter indoors before the storm hits. A garage, spare room, or covered area will work. Never leave it outside, even under a cover. High winds can tear it away or send debris flying. Use a heavy-duty tarp indoors to protect it from any leaks or water seeping in. Mobility scooters and water do not mix. Even small amounts of water can ruin your electronics. Seal exposed electronic components with waterproof bags or plastic wrap. Elevate your scooter slightly if flooding is possible using bricks or wooden blocks. If it does get wet, do not try to turn it on. Let a technician inspect it first. Don't forget to pack a mobility-focused go bag. Here's what to include: your scooter's charger, a spare key, a printed list of your scooter's model and serial number, basic tools for adjustments or repairs, and your medical or VA contact information. Stay informed. Sign up for local weather alerts. If you need to evacuate, make sure your shelter or hotel is mobility accessible. Let friends or family know where you're going. And if you're a VA client, call them early to see if they can assist with emergency needs. Being prepared can make all the difference in an emergency. If you have any questions about protecting your scooter or need help finding storm-proof accessories, give us a call at AutoMobility Store, 800-431-3183. We're here to help you stay mobile, no matter what the weather throws your way. Stay safe out there.